Hey, what's up guys, it's Marla Candy here. So in today's video, I'm gonna be teaching you guys how to count 80 to 100 in French. So let's get started. Alright guys, so 80 we pronounce it as 80. Now 81 we pronounce it as 81. 80 plus 1, 1. Okay, now 82. Also like even from 100 like till infinity, like it's gonna keep repeating, like for example yeah, so like 80 like 80 81 like 81, so it's gonna be the same thing for 91, just like in English, like 91, like we pronounce it at like 90 plus 1, which gives 91. So yeah, same thing's gonna go for in French, like till infinity, which is pretty cool, just like in English, but different. Okay, so 82 we pronounce it as 82, 80 plus 2. 83 we pronounce it as 83. 84 we pronounce it as 84. 85 we pronounce it as 85. And 86 we pronounce it as 86. 87 we pronounce it as 87. And 88 we pronounce it as 88. So yeah, 80 plus 8, 88. 89 we pronounce it as 89. And 90. Now 90 we pronounce it as 90. So 90. Now as we all know that 80 means 80 and 10 means 10. So 80 plus 10 forms 90, doesn't it? Okay, so 91 we pronounce it as 91. Yeah. Okay, now 92, 92, because 80 plus 12 gives 92, doesn't it? Now 93, 93, 94, 94, 95, 95, 96, 96, and 97 we pronounce it as 97 because 80 plus 17 forms 97, doesn't it? Now 98 we pronounce it as 98. So yeah, so 98, yeah, so 80 plus 18, 98, yeah, 98. 99 we pronounce it as 99 because 80 plus 19, which forms which forms 99, 99. And finally 100 we pronounce it as 100. Now so you might have noticed that 100, like we write it CENT, but I'm not pronouncing it as cent, like it's written over here cent, CENT, but we don't pronounce the T because it's silent. Yeah, it's written here. Okay, so let's do the recap now, so that I can make sure that you guys know how to count 1 like 200 or 1 to 200 like by heart, Alright, and it's gonna be very necessary too, like for example if you go shopping and you need like for example like 5 potatoes, so you're gonna you're gonna tell them like like I need 5 like potatoes, patat. Okay, so alright, so let's do the recap. So 80, 80, 81, 81, 82, 82, and 83, 83, 84, 84, 85, 85, 86, 86, and 87, 87, 88, 88, 89, 89, and 90, 90. Alright, so 91, 91, 92, 92, 93, 93, 94, 94. So yeah, so just keep repeating after me. Oh, okay, 95, 95, 96, 96, 97, 97, and 98, 98, and 99, 99, and finally some, C and T. And yeah guys, I hope you like this tutorial counting from 80 to 100 in French. So that was it for today's video. So make sure to like, share, and subscribe, and comment up. So obviously, and yeah, guys, have a nice day. Bye.